Hello, my name is Karmelina. I'm from Greece and today we're gonna make some Greek pita bread. I'm very excited because I believe this is a great opportunity for me to become famous. So let's sew our ingredients. We need this Greek pita bread. Be careful, the green packet. This is very important. It says that this is vegan, so vegan friends, you can try it too. This is the keyword, our promise. This oregano is really special. So we need to use this oregano, this kind of oregano, in order to make this so special Greek bread. Salt, just random salt, we don't mind. And of course, extra virgin oil. Now you need a pan. Be careful, we need to turn on the right hob, this one, and we put the oil. Now we let it become very hot. Our oil now is ready. Carefully, guys, carefully. We're gonna take these 2 pita breads. Carefully. We feel it.
Okay.
It's in the Greek DNA. Jesus. Christ, Jesus. Now it's time to put the salt and the oregano. We need a plate with paper because we need to absorb the oil. And our pita breads are ready.
Yummy.
Let's try them now and then I can make more. Let's try them now. Oh, it's a bit hot. It's really tasty. Cameraman, do you want to try? I think this one is better because it doesn't have so much oil. Try this one.
Yummy.
Yummy. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Oh, I wanted to apologize for my Greek accent and my English mistakes. So yes, this is life, so I don't mind. Are meant to be fair. This bread is just incredible. My favorite thing that I cook is, I guess, Greek pita bread. I just love this sound, this. Do you have any questions from fans? So I prefer Greece at summer, but I like Scotland at winter because it's this kind of nice cold, and all these castles and all these buildings, all these medieval buildings and all this history inside this country. I just feel I just can't describe it in words.
Oh. Okay. Why were you crunching next to the camera? Why were you?
Because I don't know. I felt like I want to do it, so I did it.
Fair enough.